So, today is April 27th for everybody on YouTube. Say hi to everybody on YouTube. And today we are recording Song 7 on your album, which is
Running Barefoot in the Rain.
Running Barefoot in the Rain, which there is no rain, but we're running barefoot.
Yes, almost always, right?
So when you were making this song, what were you thinking?
Well, I think, like with any song, it's always about like the actual instrumental itself, and I just kind of go in, and it's just like a free writing experience. I like stand in front of the mic, and there it goes, and it's this weird nostalgia, but at the same time, kind of like it's the most wonderful thing on earth to be alive. There's a sadness to the song too. It's, like there's always an idea of you can go back and maybe if you change something, things will change. I mean, not saying that you're not happy with where you are, with what you're doing, but there's always that piece of humanity that wonders.
For those of you watching, we are waiting for the sun to come down.
Yep, but it's El Paso, and it's basically the never-ending land of sun. Right now, it's like never going to go down. It never does.
Have we ever felt so alive like that time?
So this is, hey YouTube, hello.
What up?
This is after shooting. After, I'm very sorry to say, the bridge of sandpaper.
Oh, no. Cheese grater.
Cheese
I would
grater.
show you the bottom of my foot, but no, I'm going to do it anyway. All right. That's what happened. It's very bad planning.
It's not bad planning, it's the name of the song. Thank you for the clap this time.
This time I got it.
So, do you look forward to every album putting out something like this?
Yes, definitely.
Yes.
I already have the concept for the next one. The next two.
For the next two?
Yeah, which will hopefully be out by summer.
2 new albums?
Yeah, well, one's going to be cover.
Is one of them going to have the signature fire alarm low battery chart?
Probably. I don't have a ladder. Can't reach it. I'm just like, it's fine. It's fine.
It's the sound of my heartbeat. It's beating faster. I miss you.
What did you think of the shoot?
It was fun. It was a lot of fun.
Production.
Oh, I definitely liked it.
Guitar now, no guitar. Guitar now, no guitar. Don't look at the camera.
Bipolar. What am I doing? Oh, God.
You're 2 people. Of course you're bipolar.
All right.
Turn back time.